Hi, in this video, we'll explore how to connect a custom domain to your Tilda website using NS records. A domain is the address visitors use to access your website. You can connect it to Tilda using two methods, by adding name server or NS records, which is the main method, or by specifying an IP address. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the NS records. With this setup, you can manage domain settings directly in the site settings. Besides connecting your own domain, Tilda also lets you create a website with a free tilda.ws subdomain. Here's how to do it. Go to Site Settings, General, Custom Subdomain on Tilda, and specify a website address for your project. Then save the changes, close the site settings, and publish the pages. That's it. Your website is now available at the new address. You can use it as a temporary or permanent solution. The address is free, and your website will remain accessible on any pricing plan. Now let's see how to connect your own domain. Go to the site settings and open the Domain tab. In the Custom Domain field, enter your domain name. Then click Save Changes and Close. Next, go to the control panel on the domain registrar's website where you purchased the domain. We've prepared a guide that explains how to connect a domain for all popular services. The link is in the description. If you can't find your domain registrar in the list or aren't sure how to proceed, contact the support team of the service where you purchased your domain. Share a link to our guide and ask them to help you connect the domain to your Tilda website. I've purchased my domain on networksolutions.com, so let's use this domain registrar as an example. Go to the domain registrar's control panel and open the Domains tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and open the Advanced Tools tab. In the Name Server section, you'll see the current NS records specified for the domain. Click Manage. In the Name Server 1 field, enter ns1.tilda.dns.com. In the Name Server 2 field, enter ns2.tilda.dns.com. You can copy these records from the guide linked in the video description. After entering the records, click Save. Also make sure that DNSSEC is disabled. We see the name server update submitted notification. Refresh the page, and the new name servers will appear in the domain settings. Please note that domain settings are not updated instantly and may take up to 24 hours. If this time has passed and the data has not been updated, you can contact your domain registrar's support team so they can check the changes. If you purchased your domain from another domain registrar, the steps will be similar. Now go back to your Tilda account and open Site Settings, Domain. If you see a message confirming that the domain has been connected successfully, the setup is complete. Your website should now be accessible at the specified address. If you did everything correctly but see the domain connected incorrectly error during the check, it means the information has not been updated yet. Simply check again a little later. After adding your domain in the site settings, don't forget to check which page is set as the home page for the website in the Home Page tab. This page will become the default page that opens when someone visits your website. Make sure to save the changes and click Publish All Pages for the changes to take effect. Let's make sure everything works. The website opens at the new address, which means the domain is connected. After the domain has been connected successfully, you'll be able to manage DNS records directly on Tilda. You can access domain management from the top panel of your Tilda account by clicking the Domains tab. You can also open it from the Site Settings Domain by clicking Go to Domain Management. In the domain management settings, you can manage DNS records and create subdomains. After connecting your domain, open the website in a browser. You may see a warning that the connection is not secure. That's why we recommend enabling HTTPS for your website as soon as possible. This helps keep data secure, makes your website look trusted in modern browsers, and can also support search engine rankings. To set up HTTPS, go to Site Settings, SEO, HTTPS Settings, then switch on Secure Connection for this website to generate a free Let's Encrypt certificate. After you switch it on, the certificate will not be connected instantly. It usually takes 5 to 30 minutes. The certificate has been connected once you see the Secure Connection for this website is on status. You can find more information about the setup in a separate guide linked in the description. Please note that this certificate only works for websites hosted on Tilda. If you export your project, you'll need to connect the certificate on your own server. We've connected a custom domain to a Tilda website using NS records, checked the domain connection, published the pages, selected the home page, and enabled HTTPS, so the website opens securely with an SSL certificate. The website is now available at its own domain and can be accessed via HTTPS. To connect a custom domain mail, you can use email hosting services such as Google Workspace. Check the guide via the link in the description. You can find detailed instructions on how to connect domains from other domain registrars in the Tilda Help Center. Good luck!